Hi friends, it's cooking time and I will be cooking chicken macaroni salad. Here are the ingredients. Let us cook first the chicken breast. So we have to place water in a pot with 1 tablespoon salt. Then place the chicken breast and boil it until tender. We have to add also black pepper. Alright, this time the chicken is cooked already and we have to remove it from the pot. And we will use this chicken stock. Let us cook our pasta. So we have to add 2 tablespoons oil and then we have to put the macaroni pasta. So let's check, and I think this is already cooked. So once the pasta is cooked, we have to drain the water, and then set the pasta aside. Now let's shred the cooked chicken breast. It's already cold. And then after this, we have to mix this shredded chicken breast with the other ingredients. Alright, let us prepare also the other ingredients. This time, let us mix all the ingredients to make our macaroni salad. So we have to put here the mayonnaise, then let's add the cream, I will add now the condensed creamer. Then mix. Let's add now the grated cheese. And this will make our macaroni salad rich and delicious. Now let's add the other ingredients. This is the macaroni pasta. Now let us mix it first. Alright, this time let us add our shredded chicken breast. Now let us mix this well. Alright, now let's add our pineapple. Next, we have to add the raisins. Now it looks good. You know, this is really a tasty recipe. You try this one. Here is the finished product of my chicken macaroni salad. Thanks for watching.